Hi guys, today we talk about HMD Skyline versus OnePlus Nord 4. The HMD Skyline launched on July 2024. The price is $500. The Nord 4 come on July 2024. The price is $500. The body dimensions of HMD Skyline: height 6.47 inch, width 2.94 inch, thickness 7.9 mm. The dimensions of OnePlus Nord 4: height 6.4 inch, width 2.95 inch, thickness 8 mm. The weight is same in both 199 gram, and the HMD Skyline come with front and back glass and aluminium frame. The OnePlus Nord 4 front glass, aluminium, back aluminium frame, and the both mobile come with dual SIM port. The display of these devices: the HMD Skyline came with POLED 1 billion color screen type. The OnePlus Nord 4 come with full AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size of HMD Skyline 6.55 inch. The OnePlus Nord 4 6.74 inch. The resolution is 1080p on HMD Skyline. The OnePlus Nord 4 1.5K screen resolution. The PPI density is 450. The HMD Skyline 402. The refresh rate of HMD Skyline is 144 Hz. The OnePlus Nord 4 120 Hz. The OnePlus Nord 4 comes with 90.0% screen to body ratio. The HMD Skyline 83.9% screen to body ratio. The HMD Skyline comes with Gorilla Glass 3 screen protection. The OnePlus Nord 4 comes with scratch and dropless screen. The HMD Skyline come with 3.5 mm jack and 1000 nits peak of brightness. The OnePlus Nord 4 come with 2150 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup: the HMD Skyline come with triple camera setup, 108 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel telephoto with 2x optical zoom, LED flash, HDR panorama, and 4K 60 fps video record. The OnePlus Nord 4 comes with dual camera setup, the 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide, dual LED flash, HDR panorama, 4K 60 fps video record. The selfie camera of Nord 4 is 16 megapixel with 1080p 30 fps video record. The HMD Skyline comes with 50 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 30 fps video record. The platform: OnePlus Nord 4 comes with octa-core Cortex X4 2.8 GHz CPU. The HMD Skyline comes with octa-core Cortex A78 2.4 GHz CPU. The HMD Skyline comes with Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 4nm chipset. The OnePlus Nord 4 comes with Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 4nm chipset, and the OnePlus Nord 4 comes with Adreno 732. The HMD Skyline comes with Adreno 710 GPU. The both model come with Android 14 operating system. The memory setup: the HMD Skyline comes with 8 gigs and 12 gigs of RAM, and the OnePlus Nord 4 comes with 8 gigs and 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM. The HMD Skyline comes with 128 gigs to 56 gigs of ROM. The OnePlus Nord 4 comes with 128 gigs to 56 gigs and 512 gigs of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in OnePlus Nord 4. The HMD Skyline Sport micro SD card. The battery backup: OnePlus Nord 4 comes with 5500 mAh battery, and the HMD Skyline comes with 4600 mAh battery. The OnePlus Nord 4 comes with 100 watt fast charging. The HMD Skyline comes with 33 watt fast charging. The HMD Skyline Sport 15 watt wireless charging, and it comes with 5G network support. The common and the feature of these mobiles: it has Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, GPS, infrared port, Type C 2.0, fingerprint under display, UFS 2.2 and 4.0, IP54 water and dust resistant, IP65 dust resistant. The HMD have fingerprint side mounted, and the OnePlus Nord 4 Sport UFS 4.0. The result of these devices: the OnePlus Nord 4 got 21 points and the HMD Skyline got 16 points.